HeinOnline contains the U.S. Congressional Serial Set, a must-have publication for anyone studying American history. This indispensable resource includes 2 centuries worth of documents from both the House of Representatives and the Senate. To make this content more discoverable, we have created lookup tools found directly on the U.S. Congressional Serial Set homepage. Need to pull up a House or Senate report? Use the series of drop-downs within the Citation lookup tool to select the document type, Congress, and document number. For example, let's search for House Report number 100 from the 111th Congress. This tool will pull up the full listing of the document, including all the metadata points used to locate the document. Also included are the preferred citation, the Blue Book citation, and the serial set citation. All of these citation formats can also be used within the one-box search using the citation option from anywhere in HeinOnline. Simply click the hyperlink title to open the document. If you're already familiar with the citation formats available in the serial set, you may also enter the correct report citation into the free field lookup tool. Alternatively, if you just want to navigate to a specific volume within the serial set, enter the volume number into the designated box. From the results page, you'll see an entire listing of all the documents found within that volume. For additional help navigating this database, check out our dedicated LibGuide, where you can find helpful searching tips and tricks, and links to our dedicated blog series where we uncover secrets of the serial set. We hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Stay tuned to the HeinOnline blog for the next one. See you soon!